In a significant step towards enhancing regional air connectivity, the state government of Meghalaya has formally requested the Airports Authority of India to take over the local airport on an operations and maintenance basis to enable the commencement of operations for 20-seater aircraft. The move is part of a broader vision to expand the airport infrastructure to accommodate larger aircraft in the near future. To facilitate the operationalization, the state has also proposed entering into the O&M and communications, navigation and surveillance or air traffic management agreements with the Airports Authority of India. These agreements are expected to enable the necessary groundwork for obtaining the license required to begin flight operations under the proposed category. Looking ahead, the state government of Meghalaya is actively pursuing the expansion of the airport to support ATR-72 type aircraft, which will require significant infrastructure development. As part of the initial groundwork, the Airports Authority of India had previously submitted detailed project reports in 2010 and 2017, based on which the state acquired 56.5 acres of additional land. In a bid to expedite the process, the state has now offered the airport to the AAI on an as-is-where-is basis, urging the authority to initiate the required development and regulatory procedures. Airports Authority of India in turn has expressed its willingness to take over the airport contingent upon the acquisition of 125 acres of land for Phase 1 operations, including the earlier acquired 56.5 acres and an additional 115 acres earmarked for Phase 2 expansion as per their 2020 request. The collaborative effort underscores the state's commitment to bolstering regional connectivity and aviation infrastructure, aligning with national objectives under the UDAN scheme and other air connectivity initiatives.
This day is indeed a very, very memorable and a very happy day for all the citizens of this place, Garo Hills in general, and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. I take this opportunity to thank the Airport Authority of India and the Transport Department for having concluded the signing of this very, very important MOU, which will further facilitate the starting of an operationalization of this airport and the starting of services for the future. Even flying from here to other locations like Bangkok and other locations, we have a geographical advantage because we are in the southernmost part. So I see this as a huge opportunity, and we need to lay the foundation stones on basis of the vision for the next 30 years and 50 years, and not on the current traffic of Garo Hills and of Tura of Meghalaya. Ensure that he doesn't delay the process of land acquisition and extension of the runway should be done immediately. When makangche the tangapa point that should jekuna kaningat. Ya runway ko extend kagin, aro runway ko extend ka ani mano. Yan at suni Airport Authority baksan ngaya plak kampo kagin. Tak nalgapa sini tak kapa Indigo Airlines ujamaina, Air India Express ujamaina, tak kapa commercial airlines tra, aro cargo plane na. So kotan cargo plane anon at sini bentang Garo Hills ni bosturan ko. Gapan bi aprang si watat na, aro gapan bi aprang ngoni ko Garo Hills na rakpana. Ya cargo plane ako at sini kamchi ya bi apo len kana.